Hi, I'm Emily Elliott, the artist behind Reborns. I'm a professional full-time reborn artist, and I started Reborns in 2016. I focus on hyperrealism and teach the art of reborning. My current students are a mix of brand new artists and experienced artists wanting to improve their skills and take their business to the next level. I have hundreds of free videos available on my YouTube channel. You can also become a channel member for just under $9 a month for full access to all my tutorial series. They are start to finish with nothing left out. They're exactly what you would expect to get with a paid class, which usually would cost about $500. I teach high-end details like skin texture, milia, lanugo, milk blisters, and more. I add a new series every few months, so there's a lot to choose from. I also cover everything reborn business related. Sales, marketing, branding, social media, websites, and a lot of other information to help you reach your reborning goals, in addition to creating reborns. I currently use Genesis, but I'm a longtime product tester and I share those results on my channel as well. I'm in the process of creating a series for each of the new available paint lines, but you can easily follow along with any of my tutorials using the brand you prefer. My students use a variety of different paint lines, and I even have many that follow along using air dry. I have a private Facebook group available to paid members. You can get supplemental material, extra feedback from me, and of course support from other students. I also do a lot of fun things in the group, giveaways, contests, and a lot more. We're building a really great community. So if you're interested in learning how to reborn or want to up your painting game, join my channel. I would be honored to be a part of your reborning journey.